Select the alternative that will improve the underlying part of the sentence. In case there is no improvement, select no improvement. I have prepared well for the exam and am ready to answer any question. Option 1, preparing. Option 2, no improvement. Option 3, will prepared. Option 4, may prepare. The correct answer is option 2, no improvement. If the correct verb phrase and choose option follow the hints, there will be no need to improve. The correct sentence will be I have prepared well for the exam and any ready the answer any question. Select the alternative that will improve the underlined part of the sentence. In case there is no improvement, select no improvement. Siddharth want to become a football player but needs to practice more rigorously. Option 1, no improvement. Option 2, wanted becoming. Option 3, wants to become. Option 4 is wanting to become. The correct answer is option 3, wants to become. The correct answer is option 3, wants to become. Subject and verb must agree with one another is number, singular and plural. Thus, if a subject is singular, its verb must also be singular. If subject is plural, its verb must also plural. The subject of given statement is Siddharth, which is singular. Hence, we need to use a singular verb here. The given rule of follow with the closing choose option. Hence, I will improve the underlined part correctly. The correct sentence will be Siddharth wants to become a football player but need to practice more rigorously. Select the correct harmonium from the given option. To fill in the blanks with dash, choose the minister take to reach the assembly. Option 1, route. Option 2, wrote. Option 3, wrote. Option 4, wrote. The correct answer is option 3, wrote. In the sentence, a question asked regarding how the minister reached the assembly. So the appropriate word of the filter is road, which means is a traveled way. Sentence which rule does a minister take to reach the assembly. The following sentence has been divided into parts. One of them may contain a grammatical error. Select the part that contains the error from the given option. If you do not find any error, mark no error as your answer. They ordered the whole area to be disinfected on the air list. Option 1, no error. Option 2, to be disinfected. Option 3, they ordered the whole area. And option 4, on the air list. The correct answer is option 4, on the air list. The air lies in the third part of the sentence. The preposition on is used to talk about particular dates, days, or holidays. The preposition at is used to talk about specific time, day, or holiday. Since the statement talks about the specific time, the preposition as should be used. Thus, the correct sentence is they ordered the whole area to be defected at the air list on the air list. Select the correct passive from the given sentence. Muslim around the world are celebrating the holy month of Ramadan. Option 1. The holy month of Ramadan was being celebrated by the Muslim around the world. Option 2. The holy month of Ramadan is being celebrated by the Muslim around the world. Option 3. The holy month of Ramadan was being celebrated by the Muslim around the world. Option 4. The holy month of Ramadan is celebrated by the Muslim around the world. The correct answer is option 2. The holy month of Ramadan is being celebrated by the Muslim around the world. Choose the option Choose the most appropriate option to change the voice active passive from the given sentence. I did not trust anybody in the matter of money. Option 1. Nobody was trusted by me in the matter of money. Anybody has been trusted me trusted by me in the matter of money. Option 2. Option 3. Nobody will be trusted by me in the matter of money. And option 4. Nobody has been trusted by me in the matter of money. The correct answer is option 1. Nobody was trusted by me in the matter of money. The given sentence is in active voice. If it's so simple future tense, let us understand the structure for active passive voice for such sentence. In active voice of past indefinite negative use of did is used, but for making passive voice only helping verb was where are used in case of a negative sentence got added after helping verb. Going by the above rules, the correct option is number 1. Nobody was trusted by me in the matter of money. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom at the 11th hour. Option 1. Too late in the night. And option 2. 1 hour before noon. Option 3, at the very last minute. Option 4, at 11 a.m. The correct answer is option 3, at the verb at the very last minute. Option 3, the correct answer is option 3, at the very last minute. Idiom, a group of words stabilized by usage, usage as having a meaning not deduced from those the individual word. At the 11th hour means a latest possible moment. Example, she postponed her trip at the 11th hour. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Barking up the wrong tree. Option 1, in a very difficult situation. Option 2, made up story that one should not believe. Option 3, doing wrong thing to achieve something intended. Option 4, disrupt the work. The correct answer is option 3, doing wrong thing to achieve something intended. In the given question, we need to select it the meaning of the given idiom. An idiom refers to a group of words stabilized by usage as having a meaning not deduced from this of the individual word. Let's have a look at the meaning of given idioms. Bark up the wrong tree. To be wrong about the reason of something or the way or achieve something, to make the wrong choice, to ask a wrong person to follow the wrong course, doing wrong thing to achieve something intended. For example, her husband thinks she under suspicion, but I am sure he barking up the wrong tree. The meaning of the given idiom is the same as the choose option, hence it will be correct. Option 3, doing wrong thing to achieve something intended. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word squawk. Option 1, scream. Option 2, suggest. Option 3, explore. And option 4, cannot. The correct answer is option 1, scream. The meaning of the word squawk is to make a loud, unpleasant noise. The meaning of the option given are as follow: scream, to cry out loudly in the high voice because you are afraid. Suggest, to mention a plan of an idea that you have a somebody to discuss or consider. Option 3, explore, the travel around a place in order to team about it. Connote, imply or suggest. Clearly the word scream and squawk have a similar meaning, hence are synonym. Select the most appropriate synonym of the underlined word. The company was engaged in serious trade practice. Spurious trade practice. Option 1 effective, option 2 fraudulent, option 3 fraudulent, or option 4 trendy. The correct answer is option 2 fraudulent. Is the word serious, spurious refer to something that is not genuine or true after implying deceit or fearless. Similar, fraudulent means involving deceit to deception, especially for person gain. Select the most appropriate synonym of the underlying word. The salesman yielded to the demands of his corrupt boss. Option 1 concede, option 2 courted, option 3 handed, option 4 trended. The correct answer is option 1 concede. Yielded means to give in the someone demands or to surrender or submit to pressure or authority. Concede carries a similar meaning, suggestion, acknowledging the validity of someone, point or given in their demands. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word beneath. Option 1 below, option 2 above, option 3 beyond, option 4 under. The correct answer is option 2 above. The meaning of the given word is beneath, extending or directly underneath, beneath, extending or directly underneath, below, at the lower level or layer than, above, at a higher level or layer than, beyond, at or the further side of, under, at the lower level than. The most appropriate antonym for beneath is above. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word lothi. Option 1 detest, option 2 admire, option 3 abhor, option 4 despise. The correct answer is option 2 admire. The meaning of the given word is loath, reluctant, unwilling, detest. dislike, instantly, intensely, admire, regard with respect or warm approval, abhor, regard the disgust and hatred, despise, feel contempt, or a deep reverence for the most appropriate antonym for leith is admire. The following sentence has been divided into parts. One of them contains an error. Select the part that contains the error from the given option. You and I have submitted your works and on time. Option 1 on time. Option 2 you and I. Option 3 your work. And option 4 have submit. The correct answer is option 3 your work. The third part of the sentence in erroneous in nature. You and I show the collective effort made by two people, so the use of yours reflects the erroneous use of the pronoun. Your is a passive pronoun that must follow the second person. You use of follow affecting the erroneous use the passivist determiner before work. The correct sentence in you and I have submit or work on time. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Equipment. Option 1. Option 2 apparatus. Option 3 implements. Option 4 paraphernalia. The correct answer is option 3 implements. The correct answer is option 3 implement. Equipment, the thing that are needed to do a particular activity. Apparatus, the set of tools, instruments, or equipment used for doing a job or activity. उन्नीस भाई बुला रहा है. Doing a job for activity. Implements are tools or instruments especially for work outdoors. Paraphernalia, the separate real or personal property of married women that she can dispose of by will and something according to common law during her life. Select the incorrectly spelled word niece, ceiling, gripe, yield. The correct answer is option 4, yield. Niece, the daughter of your brother or sister, the daughter of your husband or wife, brother or sister. Ceiling, the top surface of the inside of a room. Grief, keen mental suffering or distress over appreciation or loss. Yield, to produce the provide crops, profit or result. Given below are four jumbled sentences. Select the option that gives their correct order. A expert mechanics labored over the plane of 3 hours. B. Dot A small nut had fallen into a channel which prevented the gear from moving. C. A huge plane was forced to crash land when its landing gear got stuck. D. They were amazed when they discovered what had caused the mechanical failure. Option 1 D, B, A, C. Option 2 D, A, D, C. Option 3 C, A, D, B. And option 4 A, C, B, D. The correct answer is option 3 C, A, D, B. Always remember that the opening sentence of the paragraph should always be independent and introductive in nature. Sentence C introduces the incident that we being talked about and has the dependency on any other sentence. Thus, it will be your introductive sentence. Sentence A further talk about the next step taken by mechanics try to fix the fault. Thus, sentence A will yellow sentence C. Sentence D is a further extension. A sentence A is a tells about the cause behind the mechanical failure. Sentence B is your closing statement as is the nothing but an extension of sentence D. The correct paragraph is a huge plane was forced the crash land when its landing gear got stuck. Expert mechanics labored over the plane for 3 hours. They were amazed when they discovered what had caused the mechanical failure. A small nut had fallen into a channel which prevented the gear from moving. Sentences of a paragraph are given below in jumble order. Arrange the sentence in the correct order to form the meaningful, the coherent paragraph. A. They always shared machinery and goods as needed without a hitch. B. Then they had the first serious quarrel in 40 years of farming side by side. C. And unfortunately, the long collaboration fell apart. D. Two brothers lived on adjoining farms in the small village? Option 1 D A B C, option 2 D B C A, option 3 C A D B, and option 4 B C A D. The correct answer is option 1 D A B C. The opening sentence should always be